My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Audi A4. This vehicle was done just over 68,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can get quick access to media, radio, Bluetooth, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see that it comes with a reversing camera and parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.